Okay, so the first thing is this. So it's a masking tape and it can be used like for the borders of a drawing. So let's cut it. So it is this way. It's, kind of yellow in color and it just looks like this. Okay, when I'll be using it for drawing, at that time I'll be removing this, but I think I shouldn't remove it right now. Okay, so these are two masking tapes. Actually, I was thinking that it's only one. They're actually two. So you can use it to, for the borders of your drawing. Okay, so the next thing is this brushstroke, and it's artist watercolored hot press sheets. So I saw just right now that these are two packets. So let's open them up. Yeah, so I've taken out this tape and there. Okay, so its cost was $3.96. I hope you all can see its cost is written. Okay, so let's open now. This is quite satisfying. There we go. So they're this way. They just look like any other normal sheet, but just the thing is that they're hot pressed. So you can do, the mixing of colors much better. So each pack has 5 sheets and in total they have 10. Okay, and the next thing that's coming is really big. So let me take it out. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is a huge canvas pad. There are a lot of canvas pads in here, and its cost is $5.50, and this whole set has 10 sheets. So let us open it. So we're going to open it from this little place. This way. So like this, we're gonna cut it. The rest I'll show you later. So I've taken them out. So this is like a drawing book. You can open the pages this way. And it really feels like a canvas, And you can even hear the sound. Okay, then we have this acrylic varnish, and it'll give high gloss on your painting. So you just have to put it on your painting. It's transparent, and then your painting will turn glossy, and it is even protected from any damage. So let's open it. So I've opened it this way, and then we can just put it on our painting to protect it. Okay, so the next things will be to beautify your drawing. So I've got some sequins for making my drawings more attractive and shiny also. So I've got 2 bags of silver sequins and 1 gold. Then I've got some mirrors for the same purpose, so let us open them. It's quite difficult to cut it. So let's open. Oh, what do we have in here? So you can see there's a note for the customer. And then what do we have in here? Oh, it's some fabric glue. So it's some glue. You have to take it out from here. Okay, and these are the mirrors. They're of different shapes, and the size is small. So I'm gonna show you all the shapes that we have in here. So first of all, these are some triangular ones. Then these, drop shaped ones we can say. Then leaf shaped, diamond shaped, and square and circle ones. So all we have to do is just take one of them, paste it with the help of this glue, okay? And it'll make your drawing very attractive. Okay, so now we have this canvas. So it's round in shape, circular, and it's very big in size. Like you can compare it to my hand. So let's open it. Okay, so this is the canvas and I'm going to draw on it. So that was all about the video and thanks for watching.